Welcome, dear traveler, to a journey of discovery. We embark on an expedition to the far corners of our planet, to those special places that stir the soul and ignite the imagination. These are the destinations that beckon to the heart of the explorer within us all. Yes, today we unveil 10 countries, each holding a unique allure for the discerning traveler. From ancient traditions whispering through time to the pulse of modern life, from the heights of snow-capped peaks to the sun-drenched shores, these gems offer a kaleidoscope of experiences. So, fasten your seatbelts, adjust your armchair for maximum comfort, and prepare to be transported. Let us be your guide as we navigate the globe in search of adventure, beauty, and perhaps a touch of the unexpected. Imagine a land where ancient temples cast long shadows amidst towering skyscrapers, where the whisper of silk kimonos blends with the neon glow of futuristic cities. This is Japan, a country of captivating contrasts. Our journey begins in the bustling metropolis of Tokyo, a city that pulsates with energy. Here, amidst the neon lights and bustling crowds, you'll find serene temples and traditional tea houses, offering a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage.
Venture beyond the modern facade, and you'll discover ancient Kyoto, the former imperial capital. Stroll through serene bamboo forests, witness the grace of geishas, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Zen gardens. But Japan is not just about tradition, it's also a land of cutting-edge technology, from bullet trains that slice through the countryside to robots that serve you coffee. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment, culinary delights, or a glimpse into the future, Japan offers a journey of endless possibilities.
Ah, Italy, land of rolling vineyards, sun-drenched hills, and ancient ruins whispering tales of emperors and gladiators. Here, history comes alive, art takes your breath away, and the food, oh the food. We begin our Italian adventure in Rome, the eternal city, where every cobblestone street whispers with history. Stand in awe of the Colosseum, marvel at the Trevi Fountain, and lose yourself in the artistic masterpieces of the Vatican.
Next, we journey to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Here, amidst the Duomo's magnificent dome and the Ponte Vecchio's charming shops, you'll be captivated by the works of Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and countless other masters. No trip to Italy is complete without savoring its culinary delights. From the perfect pizza in Naples to the creamy gelato in Rome, every bite is an explosion of flavor. So come, indulge your senses, lose yourself in the romance of it all. This is Italy, a country that will capture your heart and leave you forever yearning to return.
Across the vast Pacific, nestled amidst azure waters, lies New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled adventure. Imagine soaring snow-capped peaks reflected in crystal-clear lakes, primeval forests teeming with life, and fjords that carve through dramatic landscapes. Here you can challenge yourself with exhilarating bungee jumps and whitewater rafting, or lose yourself in the tranquility of nature walks and scenic hikes.
Explore the glowworm caves, encounter the unique kiwi bird, and marvel at the power of geysers shooting skyward. For those seeking a slower pace, New Zealand offers charming towns, world-class vineyards, and the warm hospitality of its people. Sail through the serene Milford Sound, explore the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, or simply relax on golden beaches. New Zealand, a land of contrasts, promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler.
Portugal, where history meets the Atlantic. Perched on the edge of Europe, where the mighty Atlantic crashes against golden shores, lies Portugal, a country steeped in history and brimming with charm.
This is a land of ancient cities, picturesque villages, and a coastline that will take your breath away. Begin your Portuguese adventure in Lisbon, a city where history unfolds on every cobbled street.
Ride the iconic yellow trams, explore ancient castles, and savor fresh seafood in charming neighborhood restaurants.
Venture north to Porto, the city of bridges, and lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of its Ribeira district. Sample the region's famous port wine, cruise along the Douro River, and admire the colorful facades of its historic buildings.
But Portugal is also a land of sun-drenched beaches, perfect for surfing, sunbathing, or simply enjoying the sound of crashing waves.
Head south to the Algarve, where dramatic cliffs meet golden sands and discover hidden coves and charming seaside towns.
Costa Rica, the heartbeat of nature. Deep within the heart of Central America lies Costa Rica, a land where lush rainforests teem with life and adventure awaits around every corner.
This is a country that embraces its natural wonders, a true paradise for ecotourists and nature enthusiasts. Imagine ziplining through the rainforest canopy, eye to eye with monkeys and sloths.
Picture yourself hiking through dense jungle trails, surrounded by the symphony of exotic birds and the rustle of unseen creatures.
Costa Rica is home to a staggering array of wildlife, from colorful toucans and playful monkeys to elusive jaguars and majestic sea turtles. Explore its national parks, wander through cloud forests, and witness the power of active volcanoes.
And when you need a break from the rainforest's embrace, relax on pristine beaches, surf world-class waves, or soak in natural hot springs.
Costa Rica offers the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation, all within a backdrop of breathtaking natural beauty.
Greece, where myth meets reality. Welcome to Greece, a land where ancient myths and legends come to life against a backdrop of dazzling blue waters and sun-drenched islands. This is the cradle of Western civilization, where history whispers from every ancient ruin and the spirit of the gods seems to linger in the air. Our journey begins in Athens, the birthplace of democracy. Stand in the shadow of the Acropolis, explore the ancient agora, and imagine the philosophical debates that once echoed through these historic streets. But Greece is also a land of unparalleled beauty. Sail through the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea, hop between idyllic islands, each with its own unique charm. Explore the whitewashed villages of Santorini, relax on the pink sands of Elafonici, or party the night away in Mykonos. Indulge in the fresh flavors of Greek cuisine, savor the sweetness of baklava, and lose yourself in the warmth of the Greek people. This is a land that will capture your heart and stay with you long after you've left its shores. Iceland, land of fire and ice. Prepare to be awestruck by Iceland, a land forged by fire and ice where dramatic landscapes seem to belong to another world. Here, glaciers carve their way through volcanic plains, geysers erupt in plumes of steam, and the ethereal glow of the northern lights dances across the night sky. Explore the raw beauty of Vatnajökull Glacier, marvel at the power of Gullfoss Waterfall, and witness the geothermal wonders of Geysir and Strokka. This is a land of stark contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Immerse yourself in the unique culture of Iceland with its rich literary tradition, captivating folklore, and welcoming people. Relax in geothermal pools, explore ice caves, and go horseback riding through otherworldly landscapes. Iceland is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores, a testament to the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Thailand, the land of smiles. Journey with us to Thailand, the land of smiles, where ancient temples gleam gold against a backdrop of turquoise waters. Bustling markets overflow with exotic delights, and a sense of serenity pervades even the busiest streets. Begin your Thai adventure in Bangkok, a city of contrasts where glittering temples stand beside modern skyscrapers and street food vendors offer a symphony of flavors. Explore the Grand Palace, cruise along the Chao Phraya River, and experience the energy of this vibrant city. Escape the city buzz and discover the tranquility of Thailand's islands. Relax on the white sand beaches of Phuket, dive into the crystal clear waters of Koh Phi Phi, or find your own secluded paradise on one of the many lesser-known islands. Immerse yourself in Thai culture, witness the grace of traditional dance, learn the art of Thai massage, and savor the unique flavors of Thai cuisine. Thailand offers a journey for all senses, a land of beauty, serenity, and endless smiles. Scotland, land of legends and locks. Across the rugged North Sea, shrouded in mist and legend, lies Scotland, a land of dramatic landscapes, rich history, and a spirit of adventure that runs deep. Here, ancient castles stand guard over emerald valleys, lochs shimmer like mirrors reflecting the sky, and the sound of bagpipes echoes through the glens. Our journey takes us through rolling hills and picturesque villages, past ancient stone circles and battlefields where history comes alive. Explore the majestic ruins of Edinburgh Castle, wander through the charming streets of Edinburgh's Old Town, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of the elusive Loch Ness Monster. Scotland is a land of warm hospitality and rich traditions. Sample the finest Scotch whisky in a traditional distillery, lose yourself in the rhythm of a keeled dance, and experience the warmth of a Scottish welcome. Morocco, where the Sahara meets the sea. Prepare to be enchanted by Morocco, a land of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and ancient traditions. From the bustling souks of Marrakesh to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, Morocco offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of Marrakesh's Medina, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of bargaining. Marvel at the intricate mosaics of the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca and explore the Roman ruins of Volubilis. Venture into the Sahara Desert, where golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. Ride a camel through the desert at sunset, sleep under a canopy of stars, and experience the magic of this ancient land. Morocco is a country of contrasts, where the ancient and modern worlds collide, and a journey here is sure to be an unforgettable adventure. And so our journey comes to an end, but the memories, like souvenirs tucked away in our mind's eye, will surely linger. Each of these 10 countries, a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and natural wonder, offers a unique experience for the intrepid traveler. We hope this glimpse into their diverse landscapes and cultures has sparked a flame of wanderlust within you. May it inspire you to pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on your own unforgettable adventures. Remember, the world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. Safe travels, and until next time, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery. Like and subscribe for more great adventures.